Whatever your outdoor space, you can make a real difference to wildlife this autumn. It's an ideal time for all kinds of creatures to feed up before the harsh winter. And the good news is, you don't have to do much to make a big difference. Number 1, leave plants alone. Leave seed heads and plants like thistles to die back naturally. Leave your ivy to flower. Leave your hips and your haws to flourish. Leave your berries to be bountiful. These are all great ways to provide food and shelter to insects and birds over winter. Number 2, let it rot. Leaving fallen apples and fruits to rot is a fantastic way to feed insects. Even creepy crawlies deserve a meal. Number 3, put the rake away and don't tidy. Leave those piles of fallen leaves. Stack up deadwood. You'll be providing food and a home for invertebrates and a shelter for mammals from mice to hedgehogs. No garden? No problem. Number 4, window boxes. Plant up window boxes with spring bulbs, making sure they're native and making sure that they're nectar-rich flowers as well. Come spring, insects will buzz with glee at this springtime feast. Number 5, make your garden a home. It's the perfect time of year to build a bug hotel or a hedgehog house, giving these wonderful creatures a place to live. To find out more about how to have the best messy garden, go to bbc.co.uk/autumnwatch.